Anybody has any doubts with respect to whatever we have learned in the previous class? And only ask legitimate questions. Don't ask questions for the sake of asking. Okay. Anybody having any questions with respect to what we learned in the previous class? Yeah, Yadvik.
What did ratio mean again?
Rational. Rational. Anything like a fraction. Okay. And what did we learn in the previous class? We learned. Yep, Yara.
We learned about the fractions of the square root and how to find them with the variables. Like if I had like 16 over 8 by 5, I'll be 1 by
No,
5
no, no.
like 8
Just
outside bracket.
no, no, wait. If I ask a question, you don't have to rush and answer it immediately. I'm saying give me a shorter version of the answer. What did we learn? Just tell me in summary. We learned about rational expressions and radical expressions. That's what I'm looking for.
Okay.
So can you put it? I mean, I don't think I gave the right example, but I'm just curious to know. Do you guys remember what did we learn in last class?
Is it the same thing as homework?
That will anyways do. That holds true for every class. Yep, yeah, Advik.
Didn't we learn something like with the shapes? Like the rectangle? What was that like last Saturday?
So see now you will see why I'm recording all this and putting on YouTube, correct? I don't have to get confused. And I have 5 classes running right now. So I would not remember exactly what did I learn. But I will always go to this one, and we learned rational and radical exponents. That is what we learned on Sunday. And on Saturday, we had learned similarity and congruence. Yeah. So radical and rational exponents. Is there anybody in the class who has any doubt around that? No doubt. Okay. But I have doubt. See, I have gotten feedback from some of the parents saying that I'm going very fast. I'm switching a lot between different topics. So I have to just make sure that I'm not committing the same mistakes. See, getting feedback is perfectly fine. I never claim that I'm a perfect guy, right? I make mistakes too. And that's okay. But where I will go wrong is if I don't learn from my mistakes. So the feedback is I'm switching topics too much. So what it means is from action point of view, I'll probably not teach one topic in a class and then jump to next topic in the next class. Probably teach one topic, do some practice, do some sums, get that confidence, okay, everybody has learned, and then go to the next topic. So I will slow down a little bit, but then no impact for you guys. You guys have to just practice things more. That's what it is. So now when you guys said that, everybody is very clear about radical and rational exponents. Let me get that confidence by asking you guys to solve one problem. Yeah, just try solving it for me. 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 by 2. And yeah, we won. I would want everybody to solve it. Many of the kids are missing today. I know it's primarily because of Garba and Navratri. Let's see. Thanu said he's not going to join. And then Yeah, Arab.
I got the answer because I was watching videos about it because my dad forced me to, and also he went to India.
Huh?
Hey, what is that?
I'm done.
No, I was saying, have you solved this?
Yeah, because I watched a video that taught me how to do it, and my dad also taught me.
No, that's fine. I mean that I see how you do it. Whether you watch my video, you don't watch my video,
I
that
know.
is not important.
My dad taught me the simpler way to do like your way, but simpler.
Okay. So tell me the answer. That is what is important.
24.
What is that?
24.
One answer is 24. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if anybody gets me different answer or other answer. Okay. So we have Advik, Arab, Bivan, Anirudh. Arab, you jumped from two screens.
How is that? Can I remove that question something?
Just take one out. We don't need two Arabs in one class.
How do I do that?
That's okay.
We
Fine.
just
Leave it. That's fine. As long as that is not creating disturbance, I'm fine. So, Anirudh, Dikshita, I would want everybody to try. So, the question here is 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 by 2. I'm just doing one quick check before I move on to the next topic, okay?
I think it's 24.
Okay, you also got 24? Okay. Vivan, Dikshita,
Am I unmuted?
yeah.
Wait, are we going to square root one too?
Arav, I'm asking question to others. You don't have to respond. Anirudh, Dikshita, and yeah, Anirudh.
Yeah, I just came from a soccer game, so I'm just listening in.
Okay. No, I'm saying that no, whatever we learned in the last class. Okay. I am just checking before I move on to the next topic to see if everybody has understood the concepts of uh, rational and radical exponents. Okay, you are outside, so you'll not be able to do anything. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see what Vivan and Dikshita say.
I got 24, sir.
Okay. Vivan, how about you? How about you?
24.
24? So good.
Wait. I'll just say 24, but I got 108. But I don't think it was right.
No.
I don't
Okay.
think it's right.
Alright, Vivan, how much did you get? Araf? No,
I'm
it's not a dancing class. Yeah. Yeah. What is that, Vivan?
I'm getting confused between like this.
Okay. So that's the reason why I'm asking this question, right? Because that's one of the feedback I got, that I'm probably going way too fast. I'll slow down a little bit so that everybody stays at the same pace. Alright. So Arav, Advik, Dikshita, you guys got 24 and you are very clear about why did you get that, right? Okay. Gopal. Okay, let's look at the approach part of it. Yeah, Dikshita.
I actually got 27.
27. Okay. Fine. So, anyways, right? So, whatever you got, I will keep that aside for now for everybody, okay? So, I don't want to remember any other answers because that gets me biased, right? I don't want to get biased. I want to solve it myself. So, yeah, Yadvik.
Can I change my answer to 11?
Okay, that you can keep that answer. See, whoever got whatever answer, keep that with you. Okay. Now, when I get the answer from you guys, I still note it down and then I don't care about it, right? I solve it myself. Why I do it? Not because I think I'm super smart. Why I'm doing it? Because when I do it, at least you get a chance to review and compare my way of solving versus your way of solving and see why there's a difference. Did you miss something or did I am I missing something? Right? So that's the reason. Now 9 to the power 1 by 2, what does it mean?
9 times 9. Wait, 9 times 1 to the power of 2.
Is it radical exponent?
It's a radical. It's the same thing. I mean, so anything this, you can write this as 9 power 1 by 2. If this is the third root of 9, you can write this as 9 power 1 by 3. So whatever you see as a denominator, that is the nth root of that number. Okay? So if you look at this number 9 to the power 1 by 2, you can look at it mathematically also. Now let's do one thing. Let's keep this 9 inside the bracket and this 1 by 2 I'll keep outside. Same way 4 to the power 3 by 2 I'll keep it like this. This is fine, right? Yeah. So Pranav, you joined a little late today, but then we are not missing anything. Okay? We are just doing a quick recap of I'm testing or checking with you all to see whatever we learned in the previous class, radical and rational exponents. Did we understand that properly or not? And if there is any opportunity, we will just fix it. Okay?
Okay.
So the question was to find out the value for 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 by 2. Look at what I'm doing, okay? I'm a very simple guy, very simple guy, okay? And when I say simple, I'm very simple when it comes to dealing with math. I might be complicated, but I'm very simple when it comes to dealing with math. So look at what I'm doing. Now, let me use a smaller font, okay? Otherwise, so the question is 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 by 2. Okay? I'm saying I will put this number in a bracket. Is this fine? I can do that? Everybody with me so far? I can do that? Okay. Now let's look at this. Now 9 is a square of what? 3. Can I do that?
Yeah.
4 is nothing but a square of 2. Can I do that?
Yes.
So now you look at this. This was my question. This was looking complicated, worrisome, stressful. I said no, I don't want to take tensions. I want to make it look easy. I just put the number, whatever I had, inside the bracket. So that I have just different representation for that. Now, this 9, and why I am doing that, you know what? Because when I saw 9, I could easily find out that, okay, 9 is the square of 3, 4 is the square of 2. That is my purpose for doing this, okay? I am putting them in a bracket. Now, 9, I am putting in a bracket. I am not rushing for it to get you guys confused. 4 also I am putting inside a bracket. Now, 9 I can replace with a 3 square. 4 I can replace with a 2 square. That's what I did. Yeah? Now if you relate it with the exponents formula that we have learned, x to the power a to the power b gives you x to the power a times b. Right? Everybody with me? There are 3 basic formula for exponents, okay? X to the power a into x to the power b gives you x to the power a plus b. X to the power a divided by x to the power b gives you x to the power a minus b. And this is the third formula. X power a inside a bracket to the power b gives you x to the power a times b. Yeah? And we have proven this formula multiple times, okay? I mean, I don't mind proving it one more time, but only if you guys challenge me that no, this formula doesn't seem to be right, then only I'll prove it, okay? So, now look at this. here there is a third formula, x to the power a inside bracket to the power b equals x to the power a times b. Yeah. So here now x, this is x power a to the power b, x to the power a times b. So this becomes 3 to the power a times b, 2 times b, 1 by 2, into this becomes 2 to the power 2 times 3 by 2. Yeah. So what happened? This 2 into 1 by 2 becomes 1. 2 into 3 by 2 becomes 3. So you have 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Now find out. 3 is 3, 2 to the power 3 is 8. What is the answer? You won $1 million for this question? Arif? Calm down, it's okay. I mean, yeah, you got the right answer, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, there are many more that will solve. Yeah, Rick.
Now I realize why I wanted to change it to 11, because I thought of that equation x like a times b, and I thought it was like 3 plus 8.
Yeah. So that's why. Yeah, Dikshita.
Why did you how did you change the 9 to 3?
I changed 9 to 3 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. That is 3 times 3 is 9.
Oh, okay, sir.
So 4 is also 2 square. 2 times 2 is 4, right? So basically, so this is, again, you guys will hate me for this, but this is part of my tram theory. As soon as I look at this question, 9 to the power 1 by 2, 4 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied 4 to the power 3 by 2. Trust part keep aside, okay? I trust myself. I'm more confident. Now going to read. 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so this is asking. So then I started analyzing that, okay, don't play with emojis, that's okay. That's okay. We want control. So 9 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 by 2. So by looking at this one, I see that, okay, this is dealing with the rational exponents. And nobody likes rational exponents, trust me. If somebody says, find out 27 to the power 1 by 6. Done. So everybody is playing with AI, right? Don't do that. So this kind of thing is difficult to deal with. You have to simplify it. And your only way to do it is break things into smaller numbers. See, here also, same theory. When I looked at this number, read it, I found, okay, this is rational thing. Can I break it into smaller numbers? And then I got, okay, 9 is a perfect square of 3. 4 is a perfect square of 2. I will have a square here, I will have a square here, then multiply that with the fraction 1 by 2. My job might get easier. So that is how I recall this theorem, okay. This rule, that okay, x to the power a to the power b gives me x to the power a into b. Can I break it into x to the power a into b form? That's how I broke this into smaller numbers. 9 became 3 square, 4 became 2 square. And then everything else is history. Yep.
Yes, sir.
So, simpler thing to remember. Small is beautiful. Okay? If you have things here to deal with, if you can make it smaller, if you can break it down to smaller pieces, you will see that calculation becomes easier, chance of mistakes gets minimized, and then you can always do tic-tac-toe. Your goal is to get to tic-tac-toe. You want to knock off things. Yeah? Everybody with me so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. I'm so glad I got the answer for the first time.
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Do you guys know what is KBC? KBC is a show in India, I think it's on Sony or something, where you answer 15 questions right and you get probably $1 million nowadays.
Oh, it's that quiz game where
Yep.
they ask you very random questions.
With Amitabh Bachchan, yeah.
I remember I used to watch it back in like third grade or something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, but unfortunate fact is, even if you answer the questions right here, you don't get rewarded. But then yeah, you can certainly feel happy about it. And that's what the goal is. Alright, so shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Smallest of doubt, if you have to deal with a rational exponent, a radical exponent. Now let me do one thing, okay? Today is Navratri, I will not load you guys with a new concept, but I will bother you with the old concept. Let's so it's a flavor of three problems together. 16 to the power, fourth root of 16 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power 1 by 2. Today we will not learn anything new, okay? Let's break our head with what we know. What happened, everyone? No, so see again, we can keep on accumulating new topics after new topics after new topics, and we can keep on forgetting previous things. So that's why I'm just making you guys practice this today, and in the next class, obviously we will pick up something that is more interesting. Okay. Yep. Let's practice this one. Let's try solving this. Fourth root of 16 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power half. Try. What happened, Pranav?
I'm flipping out.
You are flipping out.
Yeah.
Is it because this is very tough? This one
I
looks.
just said pick up my book and pen.
Okay. Try doing it. See again. Concepts repeat. Concepts don't repeat, problems do. So one concept learned, you can. Who left the meeting? Yeah.
Is that six? Is that this square root of 16?
Fourth root of 16.
What does that mean?
4 to the power of 16?
Advik, you want to answer that?
I got an answer of 8 by 9.
8 by 9.
8 over 9.
Okay. So see, this is why I need to spend a little more time on the given topic. Okay. So 4th root of 16. I'll explain that. Dixita has a question too. Yeah, Dixita.
Isn't the 4th root of 16 is 16?
See, again, I'll repeat it. So, the rational and radical exponents go this way. Yeah, you want to ask something?
I got negative 12 as an answer.
Okay, hold it there. So, right now, I will wait for the answer for now. But just for understanding purpose, this is exactly what we have learned as part of radical and rational exponents. If I say 4 to the power 1 by 2, this is nothing but square root of 4. If I say 3 to the power 1 by 3, I mean the cube root of 3. If I say 16 to the power 1 by 5, that is nothing but the fifth root of 16. Okay? So I gave you guys a clue. This is not a difficult problem. I'm just trying to. Yeah.
Can I redo my process? I didn't know that.
Yes, please.
-6.
Now nobody has to rush for the answer. Try to it one more time, review it, and then tell me. If you take 2 minutes more and give me right answer, that gets more brownie points compared to rushing for it and giving me wrong answer. Yes, we got.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I got 4 and 17 over 36 somehow.
4 and 17 over 36. Okay. Something like this.
36.
Okay. So you got a mixed number?
Yes.
I'm getting mixed feeling right now. Let's see.
I got 2 over 9.
2 over 9. Okay. So that's why I said I'm getting mixed feelings because I'm getting mixed answers, different answers, unique answers.
I got -12 again.
Negative 12. Okay.
4, 1.
Okay. Now you put your hands down, Arav, because you have told the answer. Yeah, Dikshita.
I got 4, 1 by 2.
Sorry?
I got 4, 1 by 2.
So like 4, 1, 41 by 2? Oh, sorry. Like a mixed number? Like
Yes,
that?
sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I got 2 by 9.
2 by 9. Okay. 2 by 9. Yeah, Upal.
Yeah, one sec.
Okay. So let me choose a topic that I would start with after this one. Wait. Yeah, go on.
Sir, I read my answer wrong. I actually got 4 to the power of 17 over 36.
4 to the power 17 or 36. This one?
Yeah, but like 4 to the power of it, so it's like a mixed number.
4 to the power of. Okay.
Yeah, I got mine.
So, like this.
Yes.
So, Dikshita, did you also get something like 4 to the power 1 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So that's why I said when I saw mixed numbers, I was getting mixed feelings. How come this is possible? Okay. Alright. So everybody has tried.
Oh, mine is 2 to the 2 and the power 6 over 9.
2 power 6 over 9. Okay. Now let's look at this. So let me write this question. So this is 16 fourth root multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power 1 by 2. So how many is going to ignore all the other questions? All the other answers and go on to this one. 4 to the power 16, 4th root of 16. Let me write it down like this. So 4th root of 16 is nothing but this. Okay? I'm put, like I always say, fractions are my best friend. I love fractions. I had radical exponent. I converted them to rational exponent because this gives me a fraction view. Yeah, everyone.
Sir, if you like fractions, technically we both are rivals because I like decimals more.
But I know how to convert fraction to decimal or vice versa. So we can still be good friends. Okay? I'll convert you to fractions, okay?
It's a trust, not a alliance.
Okay. Yeah, Arif.
I'm pretty sure I answered to -18 because I didn't know there was a 3 to
Okay.
-2.
So now I'm not even worried about the answers because I heard enough answers and more the answers, more confusion, more worries. So let's park it there. Now it's my turn to react to my own question. So let me solve it the way I would solve it if I were you. And then you can verify it and see if there is anything that I'm missing. Now, or you are missing. Divide 4 to power 1 by 2. So right now what I have done is I have put that in a simple form. Now look at this. 16. 16 is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 times 2 is what gives you 16. So inside the bracket whatever I have, let me write the smallest number possible. Okay. Now 3 to the power minus 2. I will deal with this guy later. 4 to the power 1 by 2. Now 4, again I am putting that as a small number. I am not doing anything fancy here. I am just converting bigger numbers into smaller numbers. That's it. Now if you look at this guy, this became from here comes here, okay? Just for you to follow the sequence. It becomes x to the power a to the power b. So this becomes x to the power a multiplied by b. This number. Now 3 to the power minus 2. I'll deal with it later. Then I have 2 to the power 2 2 square to the power 1 by 2. So this becomes x to the power a multiplied by b. So this becomes 2 to the power 1 by 2. This 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Now look at this. Here, this 4 and this 4 tic tac toe done. This 2 and this 2 tic tac toe done. What did it become? This became 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power 1. What happened? Oh, sorry, let me not rush. So 2 to the power 1 is 2 and 3 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power 1 is again 2. Tic tac toe, gone. What I have is 3 to the power minus 2. I can write this as 1 into 3 to the power minus 2. Okay? Now anything to the power minus moves down. Right? So if you remember, x to the power minus 2 is equals 1 by x to the power 2. Remember this or you forgot? Everybody remembers? If I have x to the power 2, if I bring it as a denominator, it will become x to the power minus 2. So when you move something from numerator to denominator or vice versa, the power becomes positive to negative, negative to positive. Why? Now the question is why? I mean, I'm just making you guys think, okay? So
So how does that thing work you were explaining?
yeah.